Very good morning, dear students. I welcome you to this online session. Dear, today we are going to continue the same lesson, the prose, that is the sound of music. And there we are dealing with the second part, that is the Sehnai of Bismillah Khan. There we have seen some part, means we have some part of this autobiography is already completed. Let's see here the achievements of Bismillah Khan. Okay, in our last two class we have seen that the first trip of Bismillah Khan to abroad was to Afghanistan, and there we have seen the trip to Afghanistan was a fantastic for him. Why? Because in that trip he fascinated, he impressed the king of Afghanistan, Zahir Shah. King Zahir Shah. Okay, this part we have seen already. And there what happened, as the king Zahir Shah was too much fascinated, taken in by because of the Bismillah's music, he gifted him many precious things. First one is given already. Yes, the Persian carpet. Yes, Persian carpet he gifted him. Besides, we have seen that he had gifted him many souvenirs, gifts, mementos. Okay, so here it is said he was not the only person who was fascinated. He was not the only person. Means King Zahir Shah was not the only person. Not the only person who was fascinated. Many people are there who are fascinated, who was attracted to what we can say, who were impressed by him. So let's see the list of the people who were impressed by Bismillah Khan's music or Bismillah's music. Look at there he says film director Vijay Bhatt. Look at another person. The first one is King Zahir Shah. Second one is Vijay Bhatt. The film director. Okay, a film director, Vijay Bhatt. Look at what happened with him. Film director Vijay Bhatt was so impressed after hearing Bismillah play at a festival that he named a film after the instrument called Gunj Uthi Shehnai. So look at there, how much he was impressed. Here Vijay Bhatt, a film director, was so impressed that he gave his one of the movie the name Gunj Uthi Shehnai after hearing Bismillah playing Shehnai. बिस्मिल्लाह खान को सहनाई प्ले करते देख वो इतने इम्प्रेस हुए कि ही गेव और ही नेम्ड अ फिल्म, उन्होंने अपने एक फिल्म का नाम ही रख दिया गूंज उठी शहनाई, गूंज उठी शहनाई. A film. Okay, so he gave one of his films the name Gunj Uthi Shehnai. He was so impressed. Yes, इतने ज़्यादा impressed हो गए थे कि उन्होंने अपने मूवी का नाम ही गूंज उठी शहनाई रख दिया. Who? Vijay Bhatt. Okay, the second one person. Then look at it again. The list is there. The film was a hit, and this film Gunj Uthi Shehnai was hit or must hit हुई फिल्म, hit movie. Yes, super duper hit. So then, and one of Bismillah Khan's compositions, and in that movie इसका एक कंपोजिशन भी था, बिस्मिल्लाह खान का एक कंपोजिशन भी था. कंपोजिशन म्यूजिकल रीडिंग, ओके, रेंडरिंग. एंड व्हाट इज दैट? दिल का खिलौना है टूट गया, दिल का खिलौना है टूट गया। लुक एट देयर, दिल का खिलौना है टूट गया। ओके, दिस इज अ कंपोजिशन ऑफ बिस्मिल्लाह खान। दिल का खिलौना है टूट गया। एंड दिस कंपोजिशन ऑफ बिस्मिल्लाह खान turned out to be a nationwide chartbuster. Chartbuster, look at the meaning is given, record breaker. Chartbuster, record breaker. So this composition, दिल का खिलौना है टूट गया, this composition was chartbuster, record breaker. So you can imagine how he plays, क्यों कितना अच्छा बजाते हैं बिस्मिल्लाह खान। Yes, so here he said this composition turned out to be a nationwide chartbuster. Nationwide, पूरा हमारे इंडिया में, कंट्री में पूरा रिकॉर्ड ब्रेकर हो गया है। Despite this huge success in the celluloid world, that means Maya Nagari, yes, film industry we can say, फिल्मी दुनिया, जो फिल्मी दुनिया है उसको सेलुलॉइड वर्ल्ड कहा जाता है। Look at the meaning is also given there. Old fashioned way of referring to films को रेफर करने का एक पुराना तरीका है, सेलुलॉइड वर्ल्ड। And now this day we say film industry. Yes, film industry. So look at there, what is despite means के बावजूद, though he got this huge success, the composition became the chartbuster. Though he got huge success in film industry, Bismillah Khan ventures in film music were limited to. Yes, though his success was huge there, but his ventures in film music, his ventures means project that often involve risk. Yes, ventures means actually adventure we can say. Adventure है, अगर किसी सफर की बात अगर आती है तो वेंचर को एडवेंचर भी कहा जाता है, बट हियर दैट मीन्स द प्रोजेक्ट जहाँ रिस्क होती है उसे हम वेंचर कहते हैं। So his ventures are limited, though he was of great success, भले उनको बहुत great success मिल रहा था, but his contribution in the film industry was limited to just two. His contribution to the film industry is just limited to two. सिर्फ दो से ही limited है, सिर्फ दो ही इन्होंने performances दिए हैं। And what is that second one? Vijay Bhatt's Gunj Uthi Sehnai is the first one, and the second one is Vikram Srinivasa's Kannada venture Sanadhi Appanna. Okay, Sanadhi Appanna. Okay, so this one is first one and this is second one. Only these two compositions are there in film industry, or only these two compositions he had given to film industry, and that's why it is said his venture or his contribution to the film industry is limited. इनका जो contribution है film industry को बहुत limited है। Only these two performances or two compositions he had given to the film industry. फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को सिर्फ ये दो ही उन्होंने contribution मतलब अपना contribution दिया हुआ है। First one is दिल का खिलौना है टूट गया, it is in Vijay Bhatt's movie, and the second one is Sanadhi Appanna in the work of Vikram Srinivasa's Kannada movie. Okay, Kannada movie में भी उन्होंने अपना contribution दिया है, and that is Sanadhi Appanna. So only these two contributions are there. Then I just can't come to terms with the artificiality and glamour of the film world, he says with emphasis. With emphasis means force देते हुए, focus करते हुए, then he said he cannot go with the artificiality, as we know that in film industry में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा artificiality तुम्हें दिखाई देगा, natural कुछ भी नहीं। ग्लैमर दिखाई देगा, बट ऑल आर जस्ट आर्टिफिशियल। मुखौटे पे मुखौटा जो बोलते हैं ना, चेहरे पे चेहरा लगाकर दिल में कुछ और जुबान पे कुछ। सो बिस्मिल्लाह खां डिड नॉट टॉलरेट दिस, ही कुड नॉट गो विद दैट आर्टिफिशियलिटी एंड द ग्लैमर ऑफ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री। फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का जो ग्लैमर है, वहाँ का जो आर्टिफिशियलिटी है, ही कुड नॉट मैनेज हिमसेल्फ, वो अपने आप को उस चीज़ के साथ मैनेज नहीं कर पाया। ही कुड नॉट गो विद दैट एंड दैट्स वाई ही लेफ्ट फिल्म इंडस्ट्री। He left film industry and that's why his contribution to the film industry is limited. Just 2 compositions are there and these are the Dil Ka Khilona Hai Toot Gaya in Vijay Bhatt's movie and the second one is Sanadi Aparna in Vikram Srinivasa's Kannada movie. So this way only these 2 compositions are there. And why did he leave that film industry? It is given already there. Why? Because he cannot go with, or he could not go with the आर्टिफिशियलिटी एंड द ग्लैमर ऑफ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही लेफ्ट इट, और इसलिए उन्होंने फिल्म इंडस्ट्री छोड़ दिया। ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट ही सेड अबाउट द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री। देन लुक एट द व्हाट इज गिवन awards. Later on it is given, or there you will find the what are the awards given to or awarded to Bismillah Khan. Okay, so look at the first one. Awards and recognitions came thick and fast. Thick and fast. Thick and fast means rapidly in abundant. Rapidly in abundant. The awards and recognitions, जो भी awards है या फिर recognition है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में इनको मिला है. Yes, are thick and fast. Yes, and that's why it is given there. Awards and recognition came thick and fast. Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to be invited to perform at the prestigious Lincoln Central Hall in the United States of America. First one recognition. Okay, here we have understood the work or the contribution in the film industry. Okay, we have seen that how he impressed the people. First one was Zahir Shah, second one was Vijay Bhatt. Then we have seen his contribution in the film industry. After that we are going to see the recognitions. Yes, the recognitions and awards he was awarded with or he got. Yes, so first one is given that he is the first person who was invited. First person, okay, first person, first Indian, we can say first Indian to be invited. Okay, first Indian to be invited. And where he was invited to perform at the prestigious Lincoln Central Hall. Okay, Lincoln Central Hall. Lincoln Central Hall. Okay, and this is in America. Okay, America, USA. So he was invited and he is the first person, first Indian to be invited to perform, to play Sahnai in that hall. And he was invited by America. अमेरिका के द्वारा इनवाइट किया गया था इनको. So look at there. Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to be invited to perform at the prestigious Lincoln Center Hall in the United States of America. He also took part in the World Exposition in Montreal. Another example again, another his recognition. First one is this one. Second one is he also took part in World Exposition in Montreal. World Exposition in Montreal. So there also again he was invited. He was invited there to perform his playing the Sahnai. his skill. And then look at there, he also took part in the World Exposition in Montreal, in the Cannes Art Festival, and in the Osaka Trade Fair. Look at that, continuously 3 recognitions are given there. World Exposition, then Cannes Art Festival, Cannes Art Festival, third one, then the fourth one, it is Osaka Trade Fair, Osaka Trade Fair. So this way, these are his recognitions. He was invited to perform. Yes, he was invited to play the Shehnai in these festivals, fairs and functions. So it's not a simple task. It is not a simple thing. It is recognition, awards he was got or he had got. Yes, ये उनके recognitions है जो उनको उनके कार्य के लिए मिला हुआ है. And then look at the so well known did he became internationally that an auditorium in Tehran was named after him. Another a big achievement for him, or what you can say, a greatest recognition of him. And what is that? That is an auditorium. Okay, fifth one. An auditorium. An auditorium in Tehran. Okay, in Tehran. An auditorium in Tehran was named after him. Named after him. इनके नाम पे ही नाम दे दिया गया उस स्टेडियम को, ऑडिटोरियम को, ऑडिटोरियम हॉल को इन तेहरान. So this is again another recognition of Bismillah Khan, Ustad Bismillah Khan, that he became so internationally famed person. Yes, internationally famed, internationally eminent, renowned personality, that an auditorium in Tehran was named after him. And what is that? Tahar Mozikiu Ustad Bismillah Khan, and it is the name of the auditorium hall. उस ऑडिटोरियम का जो तेहरान का हॉल है उसका नाम दिया गया था ताहर मौजिकी उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान. ताहर मौजिकी उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान. Bismillah Khan. So look at there. This is again another recognition of Bismillah Khan. Note it down or note them down in your copy so that you can easily memorize it or easily understand. First we have seen the people who recognized or the person who were impressed by him. Zahir Shah, then Vijay Bhatt, then Srinivasa, and then his contribution in the film industry. After that we have seen that the recognitions. First one is of the invitation from the Lincoln Center Hall in USA. Later on we have seen the again invitation from various functions like World Exposition in Montreal, then Cannes Art Festival, then Osaka Trade Fair. Apart from them again, he was so much became famous around the world that in Tehran an auditorium was named after him, like Tahar Moziki Ustad Bismillah Khan. So these are the recognitions. Okay, so this is the list of recognitions he got all around the world. Okay, I hope you have understood very well the recognitions of Bismillah Khan. Okay, note them down. Now we are going to see the awards. The later on, the list of awards is given there. Okay, so look at there the first one. First one is Just go through the book. It is mentioned there. National awards like the Padma Shri, the Padma Bhushan, and the Padma Vibhushan were conferred on him. Conferred on him means awarded. Awarded. He was awarded with these three national awards. National awards: Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan. Okay, as well as Bharat Ratna. All these four Indian national awards were conferred on him. Okay, what are these? First one, Padma Shri. Padma Shri. Second one, Padma Bhushan. Third one, Padma Vibhushan. And at last, he was awarded with Bharat Ratna, the greatest award. Yes, the highest civilian award of India, Bharat Ratna. So these four national awards were conferred on him. ये चारों awards भी उन्हें दिए गए. So recognitions and awards we have seen here. Look at the national awards like Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Vibhushan were conferred on him. Conferred means given. In 2001, Ustad Bismillah Khan was awarded India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. Okay, so but this part we will see in our next video lecture. Let's stop here. But I hope you have better understood the today's part that we have done. So the remaining part we will do in our next video lecture. So keep watching my videos and enjoy it. Bye bye. See you soon.